you are someone who buys option and ends up entering too late or exits too early, then stop scrolling because this video you have been waiting for. Today we are unlocking a step-by-step option buying strategy that uses QuantMan's powerful option basket tool to give you precision, confidence and logic right from the market open. No more guessing, no more emotional trades, just clean rules, live conditions and smart adjustments all automated. Whether you are a beginner looking for structure or experienced trader wanting better timing, then this is for you. So open QuantMan tab and let's dive into the most requested strategy setup right now. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. As usual, log in into QuantMan platform. Once you are logged in, go to Algo or Backtest page. I'm gonna backtest this strategy from January 1, 2024. As we are not supposed to show the last recent month report, I'm taking it till June 27. As it is a buying strategy, I'm gonna rename it as buying strategy. The instrument that I have chosen here is Nifty. Now I'm going to open my basket. So in add indicators, I'm gonna type options basket. I'm going to open this basket when my time of day is equal to 9:16. I'm going to buy a call option of spot based ATM. QuantMan will check what strike price is there at 9:16, it will be locked. And based on the entry conditions, the locked strike price will get executed. I am going to add current candle to my basket. So my current candle will be of 3 minutes start for the entire basket, which is call option. So my next indicator will be parabolic seller. So I am going to trade on 5 minutes start but for the entire combined premium basket, that is call buy. And another indicator that I am going to add is pivot point. This is also for the entire basket. And the last indicator that I am going to add is super trend. Super trend of 10 and 2 multiplier of 5 minutes, but the field will be of combined premium basket. Till now we have selected the instrument and added the indicators, but still we didn't tell to QuantMan what action to take place. So now let's get into the entry condition part. The first entry condition will be current close is above parabolic SAR. My another entry condition will be current close is above super trend. By giving this, QuantMan will execute only when the super trend is in green in color, which help you to identify the clear trend. And the final entry condition that I am going to add is current close is above pivot R1. Normally, the pivot point will act as a support and resistance zone. So in this condition, I have given like whenever the market goes beyond R1, I am going to enter into my trade. Once all the condition is being matched, I am going to open my basket. I am not going to give any exit condition. I am going to make some adjustments to this strategy. In this strategy, I am going to add two adjustments. The first adjustment would be whenever the current close crosses below super trend, thinking the market got reversed, I am going to open a counter position. Also, to make it more clear, I am going to add another condition. Leg gain, loss percentage is above 0. And another condition that I am going to add is leg A already exited is false. Once all my conditions are met, I am going to open a put option. And the target that I am going to give here is 20 points. As the trend got reversed, I am going to close my basket, which is call option. Now I am going to add my second adjustment. My second adjustment will be leg 2 already entered is true and my current close crosses above super trend. In this scenario, I am going to close the opened position. I am not going to give any daily targets and my maximum transaction will be 1 per day. So let's now backtest this strategy. So this is the backtest results from January 1, 2024 to June 27, 2025. So for this strategy, my winning probability is around 47% and my risk per trade is also above 1%. So my maximum loss will be around 6,870. So you can see all your heat maps over here and the transaction details over here. This isn't just another setup. This is precision trading with logical entries, real-time risk control and smart automated adjustments that every serious option buyer needs. Whether you are new to options or a seasoned trader looking for a structure, these strategies give you the confidence to act and clarity to grow. No more second guessing, no more emotional exits, just pure data-driven trading backed by powerful automation. So what's next? Log in into QuantMan, backtest this strategy, make it yours and let your trades speak for themselves. Got doubts? Drop them in the comment section. We answer every serious traders. This is the most awaited video for option buyers and if you are serious about trading, trust me, the best is yet to come. Hope this videos find useful for you. For more such videos and updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until then, trade bold, trade smart, trade with QuantMan. See you in the next one.
Trading and investing involve substantial risk and are not suitable for every investor.